What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's been a little while. Thursday was an up day, easy, nothing going on. But Friday was a down day, so we are looking to buy some stuff. And if you look at the brokerage here, we only have one position available. So if you recall from the spreadsheet, we had 12.11, 15.89, and 6.58. 15.89, 6.58, and 12.11. All right, and it looks like all of these sold on what's that, Thursday, on the big up day. So that's a huge thing for us. Even though they're small dollar amounts, we're still building an account, right? So let's go ahead and get our spreadsheet back up to date and get ready for the week ahead. I took off on a spur of the moment vacation. Last week was life changing for me, so I'm doing some options trading. I'm not going to share that with you folks because it's really risky. But once you get a good hang on how money works, that's the next natural progression. Okay, BANC sold 12.23, and these are all on the 13th. I'm excited to see this if this hits our goal. My plan is to back test the rest of the day. So I'm not really been focused on this account, to be totally honest. 1604 and 664. But the reason I share this exact strategy is because I really do think it's the best way for folks that have full-time job. They're not trying to stare at the screens every day. But as you can see, every month we pull money out of the markets. It's very low risk in my humble opinion. Of course, everything in the market has some risk. Look at that, 19 cents. Dang it. But I think it's super low risk. For me, in the last 7 years, it's 100% win rate. And I would never share anything that I think would just make folks lose money. I'm sure people do watch this and think they're doing the same thing that I am, and they're not, and they lose money. But those are personal struggles. Some people just can't hang on to money. You have to be able to hang on to money and let it grow. All right, so we have MTB is the only other one. So let's take a look at it and see if it's below 30 RSI, right? That's what we're looking for. Now, this isn't a consolidation. You could be buying this, but that's not what we're talking about on this channel. We only are buying when it's below 30 RSI. And you can see here it's a 33.84. Okay. So that means that we've got to get some money into the market. Now, we do only have one more day trade left. As you can see here, one day trade left, but we got $400. So if there is opportunity, now if you recall from when we first started this, we went several weeks where there wasn't much of an opportunity. And spoiler alert, I'm short the market, so I'm not too gung-ho on getting into something, but if there is opportunity, we will take it. Just because the market goes down too doesn't mean the stocks that we buy won't go up. Typically, stocks move with the market, but there are outliers. All right, I'm a little distracted today. Did I miss anything? All right, so we are going to have to play our day trading rules here. So let's just start top to bottom. Oh, somehow I screwed that up. But there's the price here. Let's start with the most expensive one. Let's do that. Miller Furniture. This I do not like. If you add them together and divide by 2, that gets you around the 15 mark, right? Which is okay. The dividend is high. I do like that. Debt's okay. Look at this. I do not like that. And the next year they're only going to make 1%? Now it shows over the next 5 years they're going to be just fine, right? That's why it hits the scanner. So if you would like to take this position, that is your decision. You can see we're at a previous level here. But for me personally, even in my main account, I will pass on this. Okay? But you have to decide your own risk tolerance. That's why I can't give you financial advice, because everybody's a little different. But for me, no. All right, and all the rest of these are about the same. This one's the next highest. And of course, we took this already before. We were able to sell it on this day, and then look, boom, it's even lower. So we're only looking for the risk signs. Nice high dividend, no debt, low PE, they make money. This is gorgeous. CVBF. And we're blessed to have the opportunity provided to us. So we're going to go ahead and put tomorrow's date, because I guess we could put Friday. So what, the 15th, 14th? Obviously, I didn't look at this thing on Friday. All right, the closing print was 1545. Now, okay, apparently I was looking at that wrong. CVBF. We only have one day trade left, so we're going to go ahead and use it on this one. There's actually a little bit of substance, a little something to talk about in this one. It's kind of nice. First trigger's a second. We're only going to buy one share. Remember, we're targeting 1%. So if we had a $4 stock or a $5 stock, our account value's up here. That's what we're going for. You know, if we found a $2 stock, we'd buy 2 shares. But we're typically not trading $2 stocks. All right. So figure out your sell price. Pause the video, please, if you need to. But we're going to take 1545, which is closing print, times 1.01, and get the price. So pause it. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Good till cancel with the extended hours. We're just trying to make 15 cents. That's all it is, right? Decimals. Get good at decimals. It's all the same shit. And that should do her. Nothing should fill the market's closed. That's okay. That's the beauty of the strategy. It's for folks that are working. We got other stuff to do. We're not just sitting there trading. But to do nothing is a huge mistake. With the way inflation has been running, if you do nothing, your family will suffer. And that is the facts. That's not an opinion. This is a REIT, so the debts are a little differently. You have more debt on your house probably too, but look at this dividend. It's gorgeous. They make money. For REITs, earnings per share is way different because it's not really earnings. It's just rent. People are paying rent, right? So I'm okay taking a REIT. The REITs, usually what I use for that to measure a REIT is just the dividend. 1032 on an ABR. Let's put the caps lock on there. And you're thinking, well, he got $400. Why are we only buying one share? It's because your edge comes from having money to average down in the future. That's the whole edge. You have to have an edge against the market. And once your dividend gets high enough, that's what we put, 1032. Once your dividends get high enough, your dividends allow you to buy shares every day. That's currently where I'm at. Good till cancel with the extended hours. We're just trying to buy one share. Ship it. All right. Go on down the list. We're not putting a sell in because we don't have any day trades, right? That's okay. We'll put that in later. The bank. I always laugh when I see that ticker. It's a bearish engulfing, right? If you don't know your candlestick patterns or whatever, you should just be trying to learn as much as you can. It doesn't affect this strategy, but it's still good information to know. Dividend, low PE, low debt. They're making money, nice and easy. And if you follow the news, you wouldn't buy any of these banks, right? Let's ask yourself a serious question. Why? Why would you not buy any of these marginal regional banks? And I got your answer. It's one word. Fear. You're afraid. Well, let me let you in on a secret. That's public information. These banks are still open. Okay? They're still making money. Everything's just fine. People just getting scared. But that's not how you make money. You ever heard the saying, fortune favors the bold? It is true. But the best ones can manage their risk. It all is a little bit of risk. But look, we have a bunch of them. We didn't put the whole 500 on this one regional bank. But that also limits our gains. So you have to understand what you're getting into. We're not making the most money, but we're not taking the most risk either, right? So you find what you're comfortable with, the mix. And I'm not comfortable taking very much risk at all. So I'm not going to be making crazy gains. All right, we got two more. FFWM. Tickers will start to look familiar. These ones we've been buying. It's another bearish engulfing. Good dividend, low PEs. And if you're an investor buying this stuff, you'll probably never get an opportunity to buy this at a 7% cash when you get a 5% on a government bond. FFWM 646. I'm getting excited because I believe that we will be getting some money for the investment account very soon. I think that 19 cents is going to just come to us very easily. FFWM. All you have to do is know what you're looking for and have a system to follow. So hopefully I can help you with that part of it. There's some structure. This is what I do. This is what's worked for me. I've had to tweak it over the years. You'll probably have to tweak it. You cannot just follow me because you're different than me. But this is how I find stuff that makes me money, and it works. I've got supreme confidence it works. And the last one is Provident, which is another small regional bank. And if you follow CNBC and all that, look at this bearish engulfing. That's huge. But dividends high, no debt. It's hard for a company to go out with no debt. Of course, banking's a little different, right? But beautiful. PFS 1803. Well, it looks like we messed up the day trade with I was trying to do the most expensive one. I was looking at the wrong column probably, but it's all going to be all right. We're going to make plenty of cash. PFS. You don't have to be perfect. You just got to get it on the right day. And that just goes to show you that it's not that hard to make money in the stock market. You just got to open your mind to the possibility of it and learn how it works. It's really that simple. Good till cancel with the extended hours. Ship it. We still got $343.68. And look at all them orders, baby. We real feel like a big time stock trader now. Look at that. So we didn't have enough to add to the investment account yet, but we're very close. I'm super excited for that. Yeah, I'd like to buy one of these, but we are going to follow the system. So give them an inch, you take a mile. It works against yourself. So you have to be honest with yourself. I hope this does help you out. This was a good video with a lot of good repetition in it. It's all in the banking sector, but that just shows you that sector rotation can be somewhat independent of the overall market rotation. So if you recall before COVID crash and the big run up, there was not much on the screeners, but what was available was oil. Oil was low, right? And then oil went to $100 a barrel or plus or whatever. It went crazy. But once it starts going up, it falls off the screener, right? So no big deal. But that's how I find the fish. I do think I'm going to be going full-time trading very soon. There's a lot of money coming in. If you have interest, you can reach out individually. I'd be happy to talk about it. But you really have to understand how to buy and sell equities before you get into options, truly. And once you understand that you have an edge, which we obviously do, we pull money out all the time, you just lever the edge. So I'm doing really well. Life is changing for me. I hope that you're doing well too. Remember to stick to the plan. Keep your automatic deposits going. That is investing in you. That's investing in your family. Because remember, out of the investment account, that money is going to go back to the family, right, to help pay for things. So it's a little sacrifice today for a huge return in the future. So I hope this video finds you well. Hope you had a great weekend. I'm really looking forward to next week. And we'll catch you later. Peace.